I build a trading system. I call it Momentum Swing Score. I know it works. This channel is my public proof. Every trade documented live from entry to exit. No editing history, no hidden losses, just the record. Watch me prove it and you will be the witness. Everything on this channel, educational purposes only, paper trading, not financial advice. Please always do your own research. Okay, Intuitive Surgical, ISRG. I entered this stock yesterday at $351.89 and 100 shares, and I get in that stock 9:33 a.m. in the morning, despite a gap up opening, because this stock was closed last Friday $337.50 and open a gap up, and I was able to enter this stock $351.89. And today I exited $366.51, 4.15% return, $1,462 paper trade profit. But here is the interesting part. Actually, the stock hit approximately $374 and I still exited $366. Let me show you exactly why. So first, before I do that, let me give you my updated proof record. 37 closed trades, 36 wins, 1 loss, 97.30% win rate, and $75,000, approximately $75,000 paper trade profit. So let me quickly again walk through ISRG and what happened. So again, as I mentioned, I entered this stock yesterday and planning to enter $337.50 on Monday morning, but stock is gap up. But actually, even the stock is gap up is little bit changed my game plan, because my risk and reward ratio was changed almost 1-to-1. I always aiming for 1-to-3, but my momentum swing score was 73 and my system said go. And stock was moving perfectly yesterday as soon as I entered, and also this morning as well. And then today, especially this morning, and I realized that the stock go push to $374 and then start reversing to below $366 level, and right now is actually still trading $366.47. So which means my actually $366 actually my second target before I entered that stock. But when the stock is gap up on Monday morning, actually my $366 is become my first target. So if you can see that there's this $368, this is this form, it looks like a graveyard doji. So this is a very bearish signal. So, and the stock has a difficult time to break that resistance, and seems like it is still again is trading below that level. So that's the one of the reason I do see the reversal, and I decided to exit it at $366.51, and the time was 9:48 a.m. So yes, when I exit, did I leave the money on the table? Absolutely, because stock has still potential to go up. So the indicators actually forming very nicely. But I like to exit because of the Fed meeting is coming also yesterday. Plus, I just explained the stock is just reverse and replace itself below the resistance level. And that candlestick again, graveyard doji. So I am not a big favor, is a very strong bearish signal. So I decided to exit, capture the 4.15% profit, and then keep building my proof record. So quick question for you. Stock hit 374 before reversing. Would you hold that stock and is going up to a little bit higher here around 394 level? Or would you exit it like me? So please drop your answer below and I will reply all of them. So far, 37 close trades, 36 win, 97.30 win rate, and approximately $75,000 paper trade profit. So please subscribe to follow all the rest of the trades. So as of now, I do have 5 positions open. Yesterday, I sold Accenture with a profit to this morning, I sold ISRG with a positive return. So now I have 5 trades open: Oracle, Tesla, BSX, Boston Scientific, and the Netflix, and also PODD insulated. So far, all is going okay. Tesla and Oracle is lagging a little bit, but let's see, those are both very famous, very high attention stock, and hoping that those stocks also get back to positive area as well. Thank you so much for watching again. No hype, no promises, just the system and the proof. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.